As an NEPIRC employee, my drive to come to work each day is that I get to help continue to further NEPIRC's mission of working with small to mid-sized manufacturers to ensure that they have the tools and support in place to succeed. Because when manufacturers thrive, so do their employees' families, our workforce, our communities, and our local, state, and national economies. This shows that when manufacturers truly have the tools and support in place, it is really for the betterment of our entire society. Because of Pennsylvania's strong manufacturing sector, we should feel proud to call this great state our home. And every day, that's what the NEPIRC team does. We work to ensure that PA's manufacturing base remains strong. It goes beyond just providing services. We instill hope and we advocate for positive change. And it is for these reasons and many more that I am truly happy to work with the NEPIRC team. And I am also grateful for the resiliency, the tenacity, and the dedication of all of our manufacturers. Thank you for all you do.